companies as well was up to in trade yesterday. And considering it doesn't seem that Tata Sons IPO is going to be such a successful go through, both from the company's end as well as the regulator perhaps, you did see a bout of profit taking come in on a Tata Chemicals and a Tata Consumer, Tata Power, etc. as well. Today, of course, some of these names are springing back. But Kunal, on the charts, considering it was quite a steep correction on the Tata Chemicals stock, and given that all through last week, this was the biggest mover as well within the Tata group of companies. What's next?
Yeah, so the stock is a very high beta stock as such, because I remember, I think from 1100 mark few months back, the stock had also fallen down towards 900 920 levels in a very similar kind of a fast paced correction for itself. So I think the stock typically gels into a point where if it enters into an overbought territory like what it was when the stock had hit that 1300 plus mark couple of days back, previous week, I think that was an extreme degree of overbought nature for Tata Chemicals. It's now trying to get into that corrective phase. My sense is that the stock should come back towards 1100 1150 mark at least. That could be a point where the 50% retracement could complete for the stock. So after almost a 400 point rise, if the stock corrects by 200 to 50 odd points, we call it as a mean reversion possibility completed for the stock. So I think closer to 1150 odd levels or below that could be a good point to enter into the stock.
Okay, that's on Tata Chemicals. Nilesh, just let me quickly get your view on Tata Consumers as well. What's the thought on that one in the last couple of years? Obviously, what an up move that we have seen coming in for Tata Consumers. But yes, with the Tata companies, yesterday we had seen Tata Consumers also seeing a decline. Thoughts on that?
So finally, it looks like a short-term top is in place. Clear outperformer in the whole sector as such. The stock has gone up from a breakout point of 950 just a couple of months back to 1250. So a short-term top is in place, and we could be getting into a range-bound move between 1130 to 1250 for some time to come. So technically, time to book profits and wait it out for a dip towards 1130.
That's the take coming in on Tata Consumer. Let's just count.